Hey, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are staying blessed. I'm gonna replace a heater connector on a 2002 Chevrolet 5.3. I'm gonna be using my Lyle quick disconnect air/fuel tool. Let's see how quick we could disconnect it. I have pressed on it already. As you can see, it's in there. And then once I was able to install it, all I did was pressed on it. And it looks like it's pretty there. Let's see if it comes off fairly easy. As you can see, I pressed on it this way. Now we just gotta kind of move it. Oh, there you go. It's pretty quick. There you go. It got 4 taps. And yeah, this really did come handy. I don't gotta struggle or nothing like that. And the way to install it, I mean, it does have an opening. Yeah, pretty very easy. Now we're gonna be taking the rest of the part. As you can see, it's a little brittle and brown. It's colored. I've never replaced it, so it's been there probably much a long time. I'm gonna use these pliers. Trying to do it with one hand. There you go. There you go. That one has a lock. Let's see if it works. There you go. It does work. So I'm gonna be removing this. I have added a little dilate grease, you know, just you can slide in smoothly, and also a little bit on the seal. I don't know how long this has been sitting on the shelf, so. Okay, there you go. There you go, snapped and locked. Well, it looks like it's there, nice and locked. Now we just gotta top off the coolant, bleed it off, and put a little Dexel, bleed it off, and it should be okay. Just don't forget, if you're gonna replace one of them, replace both of them. Just be aware that this one, I mean, does come in a 3-way. So I've seen them that they come all already assembled, or they only sell the coupling down there with the actual clamps. Hope this helps someone out in the automotive community, man. Stay blessed.